Hello viewers, Um how are you? I am Mudassir Mehboob, a lecturer in chemistry, GPGC Sawabi. Today I am going to start a new session, a new course, and that is spectroscopy. So, what is spectroscopy? Basically, if we talked about the spectroscopy, electromagnetic radiation, they interacts with a matter. Matter mean any organic compound or any other inorganic compound that we are going to analyze. Okay, how this interaction takes place, how electromagnetic radiation interacts with the matter, with an organic molecule or any other compound, how they interacts. We are going to discuss that, but before that we must know the nature of the electromagnetic radiations. That what are electromagnetic radiations? Electromagnetic radiations are actually a form of energy, a form of waves having electric component and magnetic component, and actually they travel in the form of wave. They propagates in the form of wave, and for the propagation, for the spreading, for the movement of the electromagnetic radiation, it needs no it needs no medium. Okay, so electromagnetic radiations are of several types. For example, we can gamma rays. These are the high energetic rays. Then we have the X-rays. Then we have the UV visible range. Then we have the IR rays. Then we have the microwaves, and then the radio waves. So the most energetic rays are the gamma rays. Okay, and so they are the more energetic rays, so they must have the smaller wavelength. Okay, so that is the reason their wavelengths are in the range of 0.001 nanometer. When we talked about the X-rays, so they're having less energy than the gamma rays, so their wavelength is a little much larger than that of the gamma rays. Okay, so that is somewhat about the nature of the electromagnetic radiation. Now let's discuss some of the characteristics of the electromagnetic radiation. We can we can discuss electromagnetic radiation in the form of wavelengths. So we said that electromagnetic radiations are propagate in the form of waves. So these waves must have the crusts and the troughs. So the distance between the two consecutive crusts of an